This is how you can share games on Steam with family. So the only condition for this is the person you want to share your Steam games with has to log into their Steam account on the same PC. This is my main account. And now if I go to Steam in the top left and click on settings, and then after that click on family on the left side, I will click on authorize library sharing on this device. And right now, there's no eligible accounts right here. All right, so now if I close this, go to Steam and then sign out, confirm, and then log into Steam with another account. All right, now we have logged into another account on the same PC. And now we can sign out again and then go back to Steam and log in with the initial account. And then if we go now to the top left, click on Steam, Settings, and Family. Now you can see that this account right here is listed. So you can just enable it. And now you are sharing your games with that account. And now we're logged into the account that the games are shared with. So if we go to Library, we can just click on any game. And then it says from the library of, and then that user that has shared the games. So then we can just go ahead and click on play.